Hi friends, and welcome to another unboxing and review. Today I'm checking out this KIWIHOME Portable Personal Fan here. So this can go on the waist. The bag here. Let's see, there it is. We got also little attachments. Looks like a charging cable. We have our instructions. Okay, so here it is. That's very small. We have our USB-C input there, and then we have the fan button also right next to that. Several clips here, so if you want to set it up on your desk, have a nice little air going on there. You have a clip so you can put it onto your belt, onto your shirt as you want it. Here's another clip on this side too. So very cool, has a nice ergonomic shape. They're kind of rounded, so here's our on-off button there as well. So yeah, if you put it on your side, it's kind of shaped like that, contours to the body here. Let's turn this on here. Okay, so it does have 5 different fan speeds. We have right here our battery life displayed. That's at 69%. Putting out some good air. Also, this is directional. So you can point this in the direction that you would like to have it. That's kind of nice. That's almost like a little car vent there. So we can put this on our desk. It's very quiet too. I don't know what speed that is. It's probably on 1. We'll just press the button once quickly. And that speeds it up, says 25%. There's 50. Getting some good air there. I don't know if you guys can see my hair blowing. Might be messing with the microphone though. There's 75. And 100. So putting out some really good air there. This is for like if you're camping, hiking, working, maybe at your desk and it's just hot. Maybe you're outside working and it's just no air. If you've ever worked outside when it's like 100 degrees, you know it's completely miserable, especially if there's no breeze. You're just sweating and miserable. So with this, you just turn this on and get yourself some nice air. All right, so we can just put this on my belt right here. Throw that over. Oh yeah, that puts out a nice little breeze, actually. You don't have to have it under your shirt too if you want it on top of your shirt. And then you can just kind of aim it in more towards you. Under your shirt like that. You wanna make sure that the shirt doesn't go under there and like cover up the hole. But I'm just falling loosely. It's putting out a good amount of air right there and it's not like really loud. This has this little clip here too. You can just tuck that in there and that's going to keep your shirt from blocking the air vent, because if the shirt goes under there, it's obviously going to block most of your air. So just like that, you can just clip it under there. So that's super nice. Actually quite relaxing. Yeah, and it's quiet enough so if you're doing whatever, you're just hanging out in your office or something, it's not going to bother anybody. So that's really nice. I like that. It's got a nice long battery. This thing, it says on low it'll run 40 hours, which is crazy, and then high up to 8 hours. But yeah guys, just a super handy little fan. Pretty far down there. So I can be walking like this and this is blowing like right on my face. So it's very, very comfortable, very convenient. It's lightweight also, so it's gonna keep you nice and cool. Yeah, just a great idea. I can definitely see myself using this quite a bit to keep cool when I'm hot. So yeah, anyways, my friends, if you're looking for a sweet little personal carry fan that pretty much checks all the boxes, you live in a hot area and you just want to be a little bit cooler, check this one out. I'm going to link it in the description below. Anyways, thanks for watching this review. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day.